The question we are solving now belongs to test series 6. It is of signals and system subject. In specific, it belongs to jet transforms. As per the question, there is a LTI system 1 which is of impulse response 1, 0, minus 1, and this system is cascaded with another LTI system 2 of impulse response 1, minus 2, 1, and it is given that this cascaded system is given an input signal of 1, 2. We need to find the output of the LTI system. We know that if two LTI systems of impulse responses H1 of n and H2 of n are connected in cascade, their cumulative impulse response is given as H1 of n convolved with H2 of n, and the cumulative system function can be given as H of z is equal to H1 of z multiplied by H2 of z. So from the given data we see that H1 of z is equal to z plus minus z inverse, and H2 of z is equal to 1 minus 2z inverse plus z power minus 2. From this we see that the system function can be written as h of z is equal to z minus z inverse multiplied by 1 minus 2z inverse plus z power minus 2. This upon simplification can be written as z minus 2 plus 2z power minus 2 minus z power minus 3. It is given that this cascaded system is fed with an input of 1, 2. So from this we see that the input has a z transform of 1 plus 2z inverse. So the output y of n can be written as h of n convolved with x of n, where h of n is a cascaded system's impulse response. In z transform domain, y of z is equal to h of z multiplied by x of z. That is, upon multiplying h of z that we obtained and along with x of z, we see that y of z can be written as z minus 2 plus 2z power minus 2 minus z power minus 3 plus 2 minus 4z inverse plus 4z power minus 3 minus 2z power minus 4. Upon simplifying this, we see that y of z is equal to z minus 4z inverse plus 2z power minus 2 plus 3z power minus 3 minus 2z power minus 4. We know that from the definition of z transform, coefficient of z power minus n is the value of the signal at the instant n. From this we can get the y of n as 1, 0, minus 4, 2, 3, minus 2. Here the value of 0 corresponds to the instant n is equal to 0. From this we see that the correct option which represents the output of the cascaded LTI system is D.